Welcome back, money makers. Do you want your graphics to pop? In today's video, I'll teach you how to fade any photo into a gradient background using Canva. It's super simple and will give your designs that polished pro look in minutes. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're going to choose your size. I'm going to choose 5 by 5 inches. And then the next thing I want to do is change the color of this. Okay, I'm going to change it to a yellow. So guys, after we've selected our color, we're going to select our picture from uploads. I'm going to delete the background. I'm going to resize the picture. Okay, center it as best as you can. Okay, so the next thing, guys, we're going to go to elements and we're going to type in gradient transparent. Select see all. I'm going to use this color here. I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to reshape it to the bottom about halfway. Okay, and then I'm going to select it again, bring it down on my canvas, and then I'm going to bring it all the way up to the top. Okay, then I'm going to click X and I'm going to click on light. Okay, see all. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to select this one right here. And I'm going to modify it some. Bring it down some. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to click on it again. Okay, guys, so then I'm going to drag it down here. Okay, guys, so then I'm going to go back to uploads on the left. I'm going to click on this picture. I'm going to remove the background again. Okay, I'm going to resize this and I'm going to drag it right here. Okay, guys, and the next thing I want to do is go back to elements. And I'm going to click on my gradient transparent again. And I'm going to drag it all the way out. And so guys, this is the final result. And it does look pretty good to me. You can go to the corner and click share. Download it as a PNG. And that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.